Hey y'all, tonight we're going to be making hamburgers, baked beans, and potato salad. So I'm going to start by peeling and cutting up my potatoes. Y'all check out my new shirt, Crazy Good. It comes from Crazy Good Apparel. It's my friend Nate. It's backwards, but y'all can probably screenshot that. It gives you his email if you want to order some Crazy Good stuff. I like it because it has a meaning, James 1:17. Y'all look it up. Come let him see your hat. He's got a Crazy Good hat on. Okay, let's peel us some potatoes. Got them all peeled, now I'm just gonna cut them up. I'm going to Georgia this weekend to see Haley and Tristan's new apartment. I'm so excited. I made that post the other day and a lot of you told me that it was called Fancy Farms, I think, where y'all were suggesting that she goes to visit once she gets to Valdosta. So, if you're local, we're going to be there. We're probably going to go Saturday for lunch. If I change my mind, I'll post it on my Facebook page. But if you're local to Georgia and you want to meet me and Haley, come see us at Fancy Farms Saturday at lunch. I hope they're open on Saturdays. Somebody tell me if they're not. Just to get these taters going, put some water in them. In the refrigerator? Almost forgot to tell y'all, look what I got. It's called Southern Magic. Measure with your heart. This is Lily Lute's seasoning. And I got her cookbook. I'm so excited. This is a gorgeous cookbook. Do y'all know Lily Lute? There's a picture of her. If y'all don't follow her, y'all need to. She's a sweetheart. Oh, there's another picture of her. Her real name's Hannah. Thank you, Hannah, for sending me one of your books. I'm so excited. And I'm going to use her seasoning to make these hamburgers up. Season generously. I can't do it right here. I'm gonna go over there to the cutting board, but I'm gonna season with this, and I might just add salt and pepper or something, like when they're in the skillet. I'm just doing 4 burgers tonight. I'm gonna use the rest of my meat to put in the baked beans. That's how much meat we got left. It's probably a little less than a pound. I'm gonna put it in my small skillet, and I got my big skillet heating up for the burgers. Putting a little olive oil in for the burgers. I'm gonna let them cook. I'll be back when I start making the potato salad and the baked beans. Okay, I cooked and drained the hamburger meat. I'm gonna add the Bush's baked beans, a little bit of ketchup, good bit of mustard, some Wash Your Sister sauce, and some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Stir that up real good. And I don't normally do this step, but y'all have always told me to do it. I don't like to make my food sweet, so I was worried it was gonna make it taste too sweet. But y'all are right, the brown sugar does do a little something to it. It made it good. I also added a little bit of bacon bits too. I didn't have any bacon thawed out. It's time to start on the potato salad, so I got to peel these eggs. I wanted to show y'all again because I get asked all the time, how do I peel my eggs so quick and easy? And I'm telling you, just run it under cold water while you're peeling it. Did y'all see how that eggshell just fell right off of it? Works every time. It's nothing magic. But once I get all my eggs peeled, I'm going to drain the potatoes, and then I'm going to chop the eggs and put them right into the potatoes. You're just cubing them up. You can do that on your cutting board or in your hand, either way. And then add you some mayonnaise to it, a little bit of mustard. And I used dill salad cubes. You could use dill relish, or you could even cut your own pickles up. And I'm going to add a little bit of Tony's and some salt and pepper. Get that stirred up real good. And if it's not creamy enough, just add you some more mayonnaise. That's what I had to do. And once it looks right, you got to taste it and see if it tastes right, or if you need to add more seasonings. And sure enough, I did. So I added a little more Tony's and a little more salt because it wasn't quite salty enough. This is me fixing my plate. I didn't have any lettuce in the house, and I don't usually like tomatoes on my burgers or onions. So tonight it's just mayo, mustard, ketchup, and cheese. Got me some potato salad and some baked beans. This is what my plate looks like. Y'all, this was so good. If you hadn't had a skillet burger in a while, do it. I love you. Stay classy.